Morning, class. So before we start, let's all stand up and let's pray. Class President, please lead the prayer.
Sige, sir. The Father, the Son, Holy Spirit. Amen. Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa araw na ito na ipinagkaloob niyo sa amin. Naway gabayan niyo po kami sa mga gagawin namin sa araw na ito. At sana po ay gabayan niyo din ang aming guro na magtuturo sa amin. Maraming salamat po, Amen. Sa amin.
Please take your seat. On class monitor, who's the absent for today?
There is no absent for today.
Okay, very good. So class, I have here some pictures and I will show it to you. Tell me what its name and what it's all about. Now, are you familiar with the following pictures?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what did you observe about it? Okay, Sarah.
Those are the pictures of plants and animals.
Very good. There are plants and animals. What else? Okay, Cherry.
Ma'am, the other side of the picture of nature.
Yes, very good. They are also beautiful in nature. So, class, what do you think of every plant and animals and nature's relation to each other? Okay, Marjoy.
I think it's all about where the plants and animals were located and by which kind of nature they live.
Correct. Where they are located, where they should live, and where the accurate place for them to survive. Okay, excellent. Now that you have already the idea of our lesson for today, good job. Let's all stand up and give yourself some very good, very good, very good. Go.
Very good, very good, very good.
Okay, nice class. So I have here one video clip about what really our discussion all about. I will show it to you and give you some questions. Yes, I feel that you've already learned something about what you have watched. Now let's do this activity. I will put some plants and animals on the board and you are going to place them on an accurate place where they are located. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Sige.
Okay, go place them where they are located. Who can answer number one? Okay, May. On forest habitat. Very good. That is located on forest habitat. Who can answer number two? James. Grassland. Very good. Zebra is on grassland. Who can answer on aquatic habitat? Cherry. Very good. On desert habitat. Sarah. Who can place on an accurate place? May. Marjorie, Aileen. Okay, excellent class. The video clip. So, what do you think of our lesson for today? Marjorie?
It's all about the plants and animals in their habitats.
Okay, very good. So our lesson for today is all about plants and animals in their habitats. So animals are found in our homes, farm, our school, and community. So some are large, small, and others could hardly be seen. So they live in different places, water, land, and air. Plants also grow in different habitats. So let us study where common animals and plants where they live in your community. So here are the habitats. So aquatic habitat. Plants and animals can either live in salt water or marine or fresh water. So plants give me plants and animals that live close to the sea or in it. Okay, May.
Fish and jellyfish.
Okay, fish and jellyfish is adapted by aquatic habitat. So desert habitats. So desert habitats are the areas with very low rainfall. Even though the desert is very dry, you will find plants and animals that are suited to survive here. So what are the plants and animals here? Cherry.
Coyote and cactus.
Okay, very good. Kuyate and cactus. So third is grassland habitat. And grassland habitat. In this habitat, you will find a lot of grass and few trees. After the rain falls, the grass grows very fast. So can you think of a few animals that you will find in this habitat? James?
Tiger, kangaroo, zebra, elephant, and more.
Okay, very good. So let's move on forest habitat. Okay, on forest habitat, it is a large area mostly covered by trees. Forest habitats are very important for life on Earth. The many trees gives off oxygen during photosynthesis and all animals need oxygen to live. So give me some example of animals here. Sarah.
Wolf, bear, fox, and squirrel.
Okay, so did you get it class?
Yes,
Very good. Kindly group yourselves into two groups for your group activity. This activity is called Place Me Accurately. So using these four habitats, you're going to think of plants and animals that is located on each of habitats. You should explain those. Understood?
yes,
Okay, good luck.
Yes, ma'am.
Kindly post your words.
Good morning, mga classmates. This is the output of Group 1. Forest habitat have eagle and bee and more. Grassland habitat, lion and tiger. Aquatic habitat, fish, crab, starfish. And also desert habitat, black widow spider, and bacterian camel.
Okay, very good. Group 2.
Good morning, classmate. This is group 2. Forest habitat, snake, lion, tiger. Grassland, rabbit, and kangaroo. Aquatic, fish, jellyfish, and turtle, starfish. Desert, camel, cactus, rattlesnake, and coyote.
Okay, very good. So take your seat. So, what have you learned from our lesson for today? Sarah.
We have learned that every plants and animals have their own accurate habitat to survive.
Okay, so which habitats should every plants and animals located? Hey, James.
The aquatic habitats adapt coral reefs.
Okay.
The desert habitats adapt cactus.
The grassland habitat adapts seedlings. The forest habitats adapt squirrel.
Okay, so very good. So, does the habitat important for plants and animals?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, every habitat is important because it meets all the environmental conditions an organism needs to survive. For an animal, that means everything it needs to find and gather food, select mate, and successfully reproduce. For a plant, a good habitat must provide the right combination of light, air, water, and soil. Now get 1/2 sheet of paper and choose the correct habitat to match with the plants and animals from the choices above.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, pass your papers in front. And for your assignment, inside this box, give at least 3 examples of plants or animals that you can see in your community. And so have you learned from our lesson today?
Yes,
Okay, so that's all for my lecture on plants and animals in their habitat. So just wait for your next teacher. Goodbye.
Bye, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. So this lesson is the continuation of Mysteria of Me that discussed. So I have here some picture or group of picture to show. If you know the answer, raise your hand and tell to us the answer. Look at the picture. Are you familiar with that?
Yes, ma'am.
So Miss Pacheco, can you please answer?
Those pictures are animals, plants, and humans.
Alright, very good. So class, what are your observations about those pictures? What do you think about that? Miss Sarah?
My observation, those pictures have different types of plants, animals, and humans. I think those pictures have a connection to each other.
Very good. That is a couple of pictures that have connection to each other. Example, tulad ng human and animals ay isang kapwa kapakipakinabang at dinamikong relasyon sa pagitan ng mga tao at hayop na naiimpluwensyahan ng mga pag-uugaling halaga sa kalusugan at kapakanan ng dalawa. Kabilang dito, bukod sa iba pang bagay, emosyonal, psikolohikal at pisikal na pakikipag-ugnayan ng mga tao, hayop at kapaligiran. Before we go on to our lesson, let me tell you this short story. Then after I tell you the story, I have some questions. Okay? Are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
The plant will grow so tall. The plant will grow so tall if you give them water. The plant will grow so tall. The plant will grow so green. The plant will grow so green when you give them sunshine. The plant will grow so green. Okay. Are you ready to the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Marjoy, this is the question. What is the story all about?
It's about plants.
Next question, what do plants need to grow tall? Miss Cherry.
Water.
Okay, next. What do plants need to grow so green? Mr. James.
Sunshine.
Okay, very good. All your answer is correct. So now, listen, I have here again a picture. So, I will ask some questions and you need to answer. So, number 1. What do you see in the picture? Miss May.
Plants, trees, people, animals, houses.
What can you say about the pictures? Miss Sarah.
It is beautiful, ma'am.
Very good. Next, what makes the picture so beautiful? Mr. James.
Because of the plants, animals, and sunlight.
Okay, alright, very good. What do you want to know more about the plants? Marjoy.
Anything about plants and their importance.
Very good. Now, I'm going to give some information why plants and animals are very important to humans. And you will learn more on this as we go on to our activity today. Okay, very good class. Okay, now listen. Because I will give some information why plants and animals are very important to humans. And you will learn more on this as we go on to our activity today. But before that, I have a question. What are the things that you should do or observe in doing your activity, Mr. James?
Participate in the lesson on activities. Listen attentively. Avoid making unnecessary noise. Note important details. Tell and share your ideas. Sit properly.
Excellent answer. So, can I expect all those things from you, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. I have here envelopes. So, inside these envelopes are the materials that you need in making in your activity. I will group you into 2, and each group must assign their leaders and members. So, okay, this is the activity. So, can you please read the direction?
Answer the following problem given. Present your answer in a concept map. Start the map with living things and non-living things. You may create as many branches as possible to refer to your ideas about living and non-living things. You may add example ideas, sample or drawing mostly enclosed by circle and connected to a branch. Include keywords that show similarities and differences among living and non-living things. Name some living and non-living things around you.
Okay, this is the question. How important are living things and non-living things to us? So, you may now start your activity. I will just give you 10 minutes to finish that. Okay, are you done in your activities?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, can you please pass in front and okay, we will check this in our next meeting. Now, I have a question. What are you learning about your activities now, Miss Cherry?
We learn about the living things and non-living things.
Yes, very good. Now, our lesson for today is all about parts, function, and importance of plants and animals in human life. So, listen carefully because after that, I will give you some short activities. Importance of plants, animals in human life. Plants and animals have played an important role in human life for as long as they all existed. In fact, without the plants and animals that humans have used for foods, labor, tools, and companionship over countless generations, society could not have advanced to the point it has today. plants and animals as food. Human beings hunted animals and gathered plants for foods long before the formation of permanent settlement. Some of the earliest animals used for food by humans were insect, fish, wild pig, and deer or antelopes. Plants used for food included berries, mushrooms, and various seeds and nuts. Before the invention of agriculture or farming, gathering for needs, many plants are toxic to humans, and simply picking the wrong berries or mushrooms for a meal could seriously injure or kill that person. And humans still use plant and animals for food, labor, tools, and companionship nowadays. Though in different capacities, without this partnership, the world would be vastly different. Now that I'm done discussing the importance of plants and animals in human, I have a question again, and you will now answer this. Okay, number 1. What are the importance of plants, Miss Marjoy?
The importance of plants is that we rely on them for food, water, medicine, the air we breathe, habitat, our climate, and more.
Number 2. What are the importance of animals to human, Miss May?
The important of animals to human is that they provide us special life to live.
How to care the animal, Miss Sarah?
We should take care of them by providing them shelter, food, and medicine.
Okay, number 4. How to care the plants? No ones? Okay, I'll just give the answer. We care plants by protecting them from too much sunlight, by providing screen and any materials that will help the plants to grow. Okay, in number 5, give the 6 parts of plant. Mr. James?
Roots, stems, leaves, flowers, fruits, and seeds.
If you are correctly answered the given question, I will give you some activity. Please get one whole sheet of paper. And can you please all read the direction?
Put a happy face icon
The sentence shows taking care of animals or sad face if not.
So, can you start now? We're done, class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, please pass your paper. Okay, let's answer the question. Okay, number 1, who can answer it? And also read the question.
Mary no. He saw every morning around their house. Happy face.
Very good. Number 2,
Pat let his cat sleep outside their house without a roof. Sun face.
okay, right, very good. Number 3,
Mama builds a birdhouse in their garden. Happy face.
okay. And number 4,
Pedro hits his dog for sleeping in his favorite chair. Sad face.
number 5, Miss Sarah.
Carlo brings his rabbit to a veterinarian.
What is your answer?
Happy face.
Okay, very good. Class, your answer is all correct. Now, you will going to write your answer in a clean sheet of paper, and next meeting we will check that. Okay, get one full sheet of paper and please copy your assignment. Can recall our topic today or summary what we discussed today? Okay, Mr. James.
It's all about animals and plants, parts, function, and importance to humans.
Okay, class, very good. That is our lesson for today. You did a great job today for our lesson about parts, function, and importance of plants and animals to human life. So that's the end of our discussion. Just wait for your next speaker. Goodbye.
Goodbye, ma'am.
Okay. Kanina, Miss Angel, she tackled about the importance of animals in human and function. Now, the next topic is about the common characteristic of plants and animals. So, there are three objectives at the lesson. At the end of this lesson, the student will be able to: 1. What are some basic characteristics that distinguish plants and animals? 2. What are the three characteristics of plants that distinguish them from animals? And the last is what characteristics are common of all plants. So, can you identify what kind of animal in the picture? I can see the picture to you and you are identified. And there are two questions. So, first question, which type of animal is this? As you can see, what kinds of animals in the picture? Yes, James?
Elephant is a large animal, herbivore.
Okay. So next question. Yes, this is an elephant. Can you see them in the Philippines? Okay. What is the relation between this size food habit of elephant? Anyone? Anyone answer? What is the relation between the size food and habit of animals? Okay, Jane.
These are common characteristics of elephants.
Okay, very good. So, it will show the some picture. Tell what are the name of their characteristic. And there another picture. There's some picture. What do you say about the picture? What animals and plants that are you familiar? Look at the picture. There are rose, okay, strawberry, tiger, and etc. So, class, show some picture and tell me what is the name of their characteristic. So, okay, yung rose. What is the characteristic of rose? Rose is the family of flowers in the Philippines. Can you touch that? So, what is the characteristic? Petal niya. Yung leaves. Di ba nahawakan yung dahon ng rose? So, ano characteristic ng leaves ng rose? Okay, they are rough. And yung petal, they are smooth. So, that is the characteristic of rose. Another is tiger. Okay, characteristic of tiger. Imagine nyo yung feathers niya. They're smooth and rough yung ano niya. So, another is orchid. Can you say orchid? Okay, the characteristic of orchid is smooth like a rose. Then, the color is light or dark. And that is the characteristic. So, next. Okay, class, now proceed to the lesson for today. Now, I know that you are ready to our activity today. I have there some question that you need to answer. So, I will call one of you to answer the question. Question number 1, what animals show biological characteristics that are attributed exclusively to plants? And which are those characteristics? Anyone? Volunteer. Okay, I have some question that you need to answer. So, we'll call each one of you to answer the question. Answer number one, what animals show biological characteristics that are attributed exclusively to plants, and which are the characteristics? You can volunteer, James.
It is an eukaryote, not an animal, but it is an organism that processes both plants and animals.
Yeah, Iscariote is an organism that can live, plant, and animals. Both they can live. So, next question number two. Do you have a picture? Okay, question number two. What are the common characteristics present both plants and animals? Oh, what is the common characteristic? Oh yes, Shirley.
Plants and animals are made up of cells containing DNA, and both of them require energy to reproduce and grow.
Yeah. Plant animals that have DNA and what is required energy to produce and grow. Like this, the elephant and plant. Okay, next question. What characteristics are some in plant and animal? Oh yes, Sarah.
The blana is considered as the link between plants and animals.
Yeah, very good. Now you all answer the question is very good class. So, okay class, now that have done to answer the question, what is our lesson is all about? May.
It's all about the characteristic of plant.
Yeah, very good class. Now is the lesson is about the common characteristic of plant and animal. So, animals and plant share many characteristics, but they are different in some respect. Animals usually move around and find their own food, while plants are usually immobile and create their food via photosynthesis. Plants and animals both have cells that contain DNA, yet the structure of their cells differ. So, a plant, you can make food by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is from the sunlight, water, and the oxygen. So, next proceed tayo sa now class, give me some material that use grow and provide energy. Anyone? Okay, wala. So, sa material, they will get from nutrients such as proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. So, okay. I will group you into two and using the word that can give in your group, identify the difference and similarities between animals and plants in your Manila paper. So, I have these words and you will find this the similarities, differences of the plant and animal. So, let's you find your group into two. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Let's proceed to your group na. Find your group. Find this layout and this okay. The word that you hold is about the characteristic of plant and animal. You will find that the differences of the two and similarities of the two. Okay, if you need, discuss with you. Okay, example, cell wall is absent. So, cell wall is absent. What is the characteristic? It's a plant or animal? You can base this in a plant or animal. Let's do this in 5 minutes. Similarities of animals. animals have and they have plants have. Are you done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If you're done, please place your work in the board. Group 1 and group 2. This is the page. Group 2, your work.
Sir.
Okay, let's check. For group 1, so plant. Plant cannot be on their own food, yes. Hindi gumagawa ng sarili ng pagkain ang plant. Tanging siyang umaasa sa sikat ng araw at tubig. So plant prepare their food using sunlight and water, check. Inhale carbon dioxide and exhale oxygen, check. Cell wall represent, check. So, sa animals, differences niya, exhale oxygen and inhale carbon dioxide, check siya. Can move freely wherever they want, check. Okay, cell wall is absent, check. Similarity, respiration, okay, very good. They are both. Move from place to place, okay. Move from place to place, this is animals. Difference, reproduction, check. There are good reproduction, good, check, okay. Then execution, check. So, go to work. Plant cannot be their own food, check. Plant prepare their own, check. So, similarities of two. Respiration, check, good, check. Cell wall are present, okay, cell wall are present is a plant. How? Okay. Inhale carbon dioxide and oxygen. It's a plant have. They have not similarities. Acceleration, check. Cell wall is absent with animals. Characteristic. Reproduction, check. Move from place to place, check. Inhale oxygen, check. Can move freely, check. Cell wall absent. Very good, class. Good job to your work. Alam niyo na. So, next proceed na to other discussion. Okay. So, class, did you enjoy the lesson about the common characteristic of plants and animals?
Yes, sir.
Yes, very good. Okay, so ginawa natin activity kanina. Ano natutunan niyo about? What did you learn about the differences of plants and animals and similarities? Look at this, your work.
Sir,
Oh, yeah. What did you learn in your activity?
I have learned that plants cannot move on their own, while animals can move freely wherever they want.
Yes, because plants, they have no teeth. While animals, they have. Another, very good, Miss Sarah. Before the end of the lesson, what did you learn about the activities that you made? Okay, Pacheco, May. What did you learn about your activities that you do?
Animals move from place to place and they feed on plants and other animals.
Why plant? How about plant? You say that animals move from place to place. How about plant? Okay, plant cannot move their own. Another, natin na? Wala na kayong natutunan? Okay, okay. So, now, if you did not relay, answer, okay, please take, keep your things that you do, and this is the end of the lesson. And tomorrow, you will pass your assignment to me. Okay? Don't forget that.
Yes, sir.